Mr. Minerva.
Good noon, Mr. Chair.
Kami actually is more of developing the blockchain at the core level, meaning at the algorithm, encryption, as well as the consensus engine. Yun talaga yung trabaho namin as a company. No? Based on what I observe, I just want to reiterate that the difference between putting a digital asset in a blockchain and in a normal database, the difference is shared. So if you put your digital assets on the blockchain, it is shared real time. That's the only difference, Mr. Chair. And what happens is, if you share the data to the public, magiging ano siya eh, yung creativity ng public lalabas, o yung ingenuity ng Filipino lalabas. So magpa-pop up talaga yung mga website, including watchdog website, anti-graft website, etc. So it is very important to actually share the data. And that is what I'm trying to emphasize here, that the blockchain build is actually sharing the data to the public. Yes, and it has to be permissionless, Mr. Chair, if I'm going to decide on this. Because if you do permissionless data, anyone can just access it. Academe can access it, citizen can access it, etc.